Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Compliments of the season. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded and I apologize. Today's video is going to be a transformation on the gorgeous Bartha. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get into this transformation tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these and you guys have been requesting for it. In all honesty, I filmed this video months ago and I just came across it on my laptop and I was like, I've not had content in a while because I've been working. So let me just put out this tutorial. So same old, I cleansed her face using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. Then I moisturized with the TM Luminous Moisturizer, and I'm also going to be priming with the same brand, the Tmessentials primer. Next up, I'm using the Tmessentials Always on the Glow in the shade Blink. So I'm just applying this all over her face. Now I'm going into foundation, and guys, like I said, I filmed this video months ago, so I'm not exactly sure what I used, but I'm thinking it's Maybelline Super Stay or MAC Studio Fix foundation, either one of those two. So I'm just using a brush to apply first, and I'll go in with my damp beauty sponge to blend it in. Then to contour, I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal True Match. I'm using this dark shade to contour her face, applying with a brush first, then blending with a beauty sponge. So now I'm highlighting her face using the Hudabeauty concealer. Right now, I'm contouring her nose using the same foundation I used before, the L'Oreal one. To set the highlighted areas, I'm using the lauramercier setting powder, the translucent shade, obviously. To set the rest of her face, I went into this MAC Studio Fix powder. Now we're moving into brows, and I'm using the beautylinebydidi brow pencil. So I used this at first before I went into a brow pomade. So you can leave the brows as is, but you guys know me. I like a very defined brow, so I went into my Hega and Esther brow pomade in Toffee. This is their lightest shade, so I just took this with an angled brush to further define my brows, her brows rather. So now I'm highlighting the brows using the concealer I used to highlight her face, using the Evita Joseph flat brush. I also highlighted the top of her brows. Like I said, I like a really defined eyebrow. Can we take a second to appreciate that brow though? Hello. So I'm just using a blending brush to blend the excess concealer. Then I'm taking the leftover concealer and applying it all over our eyelids. I'm going to be using this as a base for my eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'm using a blush from the Mood Beauty blush palette, that pink shade. Yeah, that pink shade, that's what I'm using as my eyeshadow. Do you see how pigmented that color is? Like, it's so beautiful. So I use this as an eyeshadow and a blush in this tutorial. So right now I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm setting the concealer that I used to highlight the eyebrows so that I can go into my transition shade. For transition, I took the MAC mineralized skin finish powder in the shade dark. I just used this to blend out that pink shade. Like, I wanted a really subtle eyes because we're going for a bridal look. So I wanted the eyes to be soft and sultry, not too much going on. I really liked how this eyeshadow turned out. Then I went into this Hudabeauty melted eyeshadows. I took that shade, that rose gold shade, and I just used the blending brush to just tap on top of that pink shade I used earlier. So right now I'm just lining the eyes using the Inglot number 77 gel liner. So right now I'm using the Mabrook pencil to line her tight line like so. This step is very important, you guys. You're going to see in a second the difference between when you do this and when you don't do this. This step is so important. Like, you need to take your time and line it from beginning to the end. All right, so you guys see the difference, yeah? So now I'm just giving her a bit of a wing. I wasn't sure initially whether I wanted to do a wing, but I later decided to do a wing, which I'm doing right now. For lashes, I'm sorry guys, I cannot remember what lashes these are, but yeah, I'm just putting the lashes on right now. Guys, you see how bomb these eyes are? Oh, hello, I love this so much. I'm taking the other end of that Hudabeauty melted eyeshadow. I'm using that light pink shade to put in our waterline because I wanted that water. I didn't want black in our waterline. I'm applying the Zaroncosmetics mascara on her lower lashes. Guys, do you see the power of this mascara? Like, someone was arguing with me that this mascara is not bomb. Excuse you, can you guys see how amazing that was? I love that mascara. I don't play with it. So now I'm just applying setting spray all over her face. Right now I'm setting the contour areas with that same MAC mineralized skin finish powder in dark. Then for blush, I'm using that Mood Beauty blush palette, the same pink shade. So I'm about to apply highlighter, and I like to spray the face first before I apply highlighter, so the face is a bit damp when I'm applying the highlighter, which I just did. So right now I'm using the Yangabeauty brow gel. I've forgotten what it's called. Something. It's like the MAC Girl Boy. This is an amazing dupe for the MAC Girl Boy. So I'm just applying this on her brows to see the difference between the one I've applied and the one I haven't. It just lightens the brows and keeps the hairs in place all day. So I'm going into this Sopro chunky glitter, and I'm using that pink shade in our inner corner. Then going into lips, I'm using this lippy from Shally's Beauty. I'm using the shade Sweet Tea to line her lips. So for the center of her lips, I'm using the shade Perfect Nude from the same Shally Beauty. So I'm just blending this into that Sweet Tea shade. I really like this combo. Like, it's so different from what I would normally do, which was really nice. So I just blended the both of them together using a brush like so. And yeah, that is it for the makeup look. I'm just going back into that Tmessentials Always on the Glow and applying this all over her body. And this concludes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because like when I saw it, I was like, how on earth have I not posted this video? Like, the makeup was banging, and then the hair was slayed to perfection by Top Salon. She's so amazing with what she does. Like, she did clipping extensions. I don't really know, but you guys should go and check out her channel and her Instagram and see how bomb she is. And this was the second look, because we were actually doing the photo shoots, and Abayomi snapped these amazing pictures that you're going to see in the thumbnail. So we did 3 different hairstyles, which you're seeing right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave the details of all the vendors for this photo shoot in my description box below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I love you guys. Bye.